Welcome back to Web API Tutorials. I am Venkat. In the previous video, we have implemented role update endpoint. Let us create role delete endpoint in this video. For that, let's start writing public action result of API response delete role. We just need ID for deleting the role. And this one is what is the HTTP verb for this? HTTP delete. And what is the route for this? Route for this one is delete /id. Name equal to delete role by id. That's the route. Let's put try catch block and let's copy the catch block because it is same for all methods. And let's start implementing it. We need to validate it first. If id is less than or equal to 0, return bad request. And if id is there, where role equal to, we need to read the role first. Underscore role repository dot get async role dot id equal to id. And this is a synchronous method. Let's not forget to add await like previous video. Because it is await, we need to make the method as async. Okay, now the method is async. Okay, if the role is not found, role equal to null, return bad request. Role not found with id colon id to delete. Right? There is no role with that id to delete. That's the validation message we are returning. And if there is a role, we should, and if there is a role, we should role repository dot delete async of that particular role. Okay, this is asynchronous. Let's put await and same API response dot status equal to true and status code equal to http status code dot okay. And do we need to return any data? Yes. What is the data? Nothing, but let's return true because delete is succeeded. Okay, return OK of API response. Okay, that's the data we want to return. And here we need to add the response types. Let's copy these and add it here. Okay, let's test this delete endpoint, rerun it. Let's create one role before deleting it, that is test role. Execute. Okay, it is created. Let's go to the DB and execute. You can see third one, test. And let's go to the delete endpoint, this one, and let's delete the third one. Execute. And here you can see the response is 200, status true, status code is 200, data equal to true. There are no errors. And let's go to the top and get all roles. Here you can say only 2. Let's go to the DB and refresh it. Third one is deleted. Okay, so delete is working. So this is how we can write the delete endpoint for deleting the role. So these are all the endpoints we have created as part of the role CRUD operations. Let me commit all this. I have synced all these changes. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe.